mga ka-joyful! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, J&J's Raymond's Vlog. So today's vlog, guys, we will gonna do a haircut tutorial. So guys, since it's quarantine today, we can do it by ourselves at home. So let's do it.
Like a Hellcat.
Guys, kumusta po ang lahat? Hope all is well po. Here in the mirror, like. First, guys, we need to comb our hair like this. Kailangan, guys, pantay dapat, kaya dapat pakasuklayin natin siyang mabuti. And then after that, guys, tatalian natin siya. So, pantay dapat. Kahit sa bahay, guys, pwede nyo naman gawin. So, dapat pantay lahat siya. At kailangan, dalhin natin ang buhok natin sa harap. Like that. Thank you to Papa Jeff for taking this video. So, lahat, ilalagay natin, guys, sa harap. So, yun. So, lahat nasa harap. Tapos, talian muna natin siya dito sa taas. We will tie it first at the top. And next, at the bottom. If you have a split end or something in your dry hair, so I will tie it first. Maybe closer a little bit. And then, after natin yan, so straight na siya, kailangan natin gupitin dito muna, konti muna dito. Huwag muna natin siya papakahaba. So, let's do it. So, yun guys. Remove natin yon. And then, after that, tanggalin natin itong taling ito. Let's remove that. And then, after that, just place your fingers like this. Slant. So, it will be gonna layer. Sundan lang natin yan. And then, you can see it, guys, from here. Just like that. Slant. Yan. So, we'll put in there. One more. Alright. So, after that, guys, you need to do this. Remove something at the edge. So, maging layer siya. Kita nyo, guys, yan. Gupit lang siyang ganyan. Alright. Then, let's remove this. And let's see the result. Just comb it. Comb it. Let's remove this. I can see it. And then, so I could see it. Show it below here. In the mirror. So, yun guys. Nakapag haircut na tayo. So, ta-da! How can you say your love?
Looks nice.
Alright. Thank you so much, guys. So, it's so easy. You can do it in your home since it's quarantined. So, you can do it by yourself. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Shout out to my nieces, Chloe Pasamonte and Zian Lansangan. and Maine, Pasamonte. So hello also to my nephews, Harold Pasamonte and Baste, and to my sister Mylene, Marian, and Myla, and to all my friends in Philippines, and to everyone, to all ka-joyful. I hope guys that this COVID-19 will be gone soon. So just continue to pray and don't forget love, 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 like, share, and press the bell button. So updated kayo sa aming mga videos. Bye guys! Love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah.